WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, so nothing much on the radar picture right now. Likely not going to be a whole lot on it today or tomorrow. Maybe we start to find a few sprinkles late Wednesday, maybe a better chance for a couple of showers early Thursday. Still need a couple of things to come together for all that to happen, though. So we'll watch, we'll wait, we'll see. I think the bigger thing we can expect is a change in the air temperatures as we get towards Thursday and into the upcoming weekend. Cooler, more November-like is what we can expect for then. For this morning, it's kind of warm out there and muggy too. We're at 63 degrees for Quincy and for Bainbridge. Tallahassee's checking in at 60. Thomasville, we're at 63 now. It gets a little cooler in Valdosta at 56. Cross City's checking in at 55, but I think the numbers that are most important this morning, the visibility numbers. So many, less than a half mile, and we are talking about some thick fog across the board, so be careful out there driving. Just about everybody. You got to go a little farther north in South Georgia to get away from some of that thicker fog, but even where we go away from the thicker fog, we still have some patchy fog. Now, way up to the north, that's where all the energy is, that's where all the showers will be, and with that energy moving too fast to the east, that's why we really can't ramp up our rain chances when this next boundary gets here. It's not going to have a lot to work with when it does. It could and likely will at least shake out a few scattered showers, but I think that's all we're looking at. Hopefully, maybe it'll get its speed going a little bit faster or find a little bit more energy to deal with. But I think the thing to think about here is we get warm for another day today, still kind of muggy tomorrow, and then the cooler starts to filter in on the backside of that Thursday. As far as that futurecast goes, you can see some of those showers trying really hard over the next couple of days. The rain chances are not zero even for today, but I'm just not counting on very many today or tomorrow. If we're going to have our best chance to see some showers, that looks to be early Thursday, and even then, iffy at best. Winds on the Gulf right now, light out of the north and northwest, 5 to 12. Got to deal with the morning fog, otherwise the conditions look pretty good for the boaters. It's low tides. Next up, they'll get started after 10 a.m. 50s and 60s with that fog to deal with. That fog is likely going to be something we deal with until past 9 o'clock. Mid-80s this afternoon in the warm spots, low 80s elsewhere. So we are definitely talking about a warm day by November standards. Another warm night tonight. I think more numbers that start with a 6 tomorrow morning. And here's that extended forecast. Yeah, we're dealing with that fog and will, I think, again tomorrow. But there is cooler coming and drier. It does look awfully nice once we get to Friday.